Yo, never feel registered, guys, and I'm back with a how I maintain my beard video. This is a video that's going to be able to teach you guys to add into your beard routine. If you don't already have one, if you need one, I'm gonna just give you mine. So what you guys want to do is start with a wet face. A wet face is the best way, meaning your beard should be moisturized with water. Okay, now get you some beard wash or shampoo. Now, if your beard wash or shampoo does not have some type of lather in it, bro, it don't work. Don't be putting it on your face if it's not have no lather. If it's not lathering, just like any other shampoo, it's not point. Don't put it on your face. I'm really going to dumb this video down so it's super easy for anybody to understand. The next step is obviously wet your beard, take the shampoo out, and add deep conditioner, which is the product that I'm adding right now. Now, guys, get your pick. If you want to pick your beard correctly, do not rake through it. Your beard should go from root to end, and you should only lift. This is the technique that's going to get those tangles out, but also get the product to be able to be dispersed correctly throughout the strands of your hair on your beard. I only deep condition my beard for 10 minutes, rinse that thing off. This is the beard butter that I normally use. We ain't using that today. We're using my products. My products are way better. I'm not going to drop my products yet and tell y'all nothing because it's a mystery. We only doing things on silent. All right. So my beard products, I'm gonna just tell you a little bit about it. Leave-in conditioner, beard balm. It smells immaculate because I only put things on my face that's going to smell immaculate. I wouldn't give you something to try if it was dirty, it was nasty. We don't do it over here. The easiest way to add these products onto your face is to gently just add it onto the strands of your hair. I speeded this up a little bit because I know how to actually pick my hair. Remember, root to end, guys. And the reason why you want to use a pick is because it's easy product disbursement onto your beard. When you got that product on every single strand, it's going to hydrate every single spot of your beard. Right here, I actually added a little bit of oil. The reason why you want to add oil to your beard, excuse me, is because after you shampoo, after you deep conditioner, after you add the leave-in conditioner or beard balm, and you pick your beard out, you add the oil. It's going to seal all that moisture in. You're going to be straight, guys, for at least 2 or 3 days. My products will not mess you up because it's me. Why would I mess you up? It makes no sense. Now what I'm going in with is the derma roller, guys. The derma roller is pretty much micro needling. Micro needling in the basic form. You put in needles on your face to open up the pores so you can have those new hairs come in strong and healthy. The hairs is already on my face. Those are old. Those are good. Those are the OG hairs, all right? So what you guys want to do with your micro needling technique, I normally would say micro needle normally for 5 to 10 minutes. Only do it for maybe once or twice a week. Don't overdo it because you will actually start to hurt your hair and actually can stunt the hair growth. Now that you've taken the proper steps, guys, clean your tools, guys. Use some barbicide, some soap and water, whatever you got.